Welcome back to Tales from my collection.
Let us have a look at some of the interesting facts. Hoatzin, the amazing bird with claws on its wings. Hoatzin, also known as the reptile bird, is a species of tropical bird found in swamps and mangroves of the Amazon and the Orinoco basins in South America. It is a bird with two unusual wings. The chicks have fingers on two of their wing digits. The bird is born with one finger at the end of each wing, which is used to crawl and catch hold of its own foot. Once the bird becomes a mature bird, it learns to fly and the finger disappears. It has a digestive system that ferments vegetation as a cow does, which enables it to eat leaves and buds exclusively. Arctic fish do not freeze. Fish are cold-blooded animals whose body temperature changes according to the surroundings. So, normally due to the freezing temperature in the Arctic region, the fish should be freezing and will not be able to survive. The Arctic fishes have developed proteins called as antifreeze proteins in their blood that acts as an antifreeze by helping them to avoid freezing in their icy habitats. The antifreeze proteins bind to the ice crystals, keeping them small to prevent the formation of fish popsicle. The Arctic sculpin, which is native to the Arctic Ocean around Canada and Greenland, is able to manufacture an antifreeze protein in its blood. This helps to depress the freezing temperature of its plasma sufficient enough for it to survive. Why is it easy for the brain to remember the lyrics of a song better when compared to the academic lessons? The brain retains rhythmic patterns and melodies with ease. The brain is able to easily connect it to the voice of the singer, background music, and the instruments. Desert rose. The desert rose is not soft and does not have any fragrance because it is not a flower. It is a gypsum crystal, which is a kind of mineral used in the manufacture of concrete, sheetrock, and plaster of Paris. The gypsum crystals can be found in the sand dunes in the desert. The crystals are formed in the shape of petals because of the interference of the sand grains with the growth of crystals. Willow trees and crooked bats. The willow tree is usually found on the river banks and its wood is used in many ways. One of the most common use of willow tree wood has been in manufacturing crooked bats. In addition, it is used for manufacturing craft paper, baskets, chairs, wooden shoes, artificial limbs, etc. The crooked bat is made from the crooked bat willow by treating it with linseed oil. This wood is preferred to make bats because it is very light, at the same time very tough and shock resistant. Ringer Ringer Roses. The nursery rhyme Ringer Ringer Roses is about the Black Death that struck Europe in the medieval era. It is claimed by some people that the nursery rhyme is about the Great Plague, an outbreak of bubonic and pneumonic plague that affected London in the year 1665. The roses are the red blotches on the skin. The posies are the sweet-smelling flower which people carried to try to ward off the plague. A tissue refers to the sneezing fits of people with pneumonic plague.
Mysteriously vanishing islands, Aurora Islands. The three small islands were called the Aurora Islands after the name of the first ship. These islands became a common landmark for the Spanish ships that routinely went to South America. Suddenly, the islands disappeared. Another phantom island, Isla Grande, which lay just to the north of Aurora Islands, has now vanished too. Since most islands are produced through volcanic activity, they can appear and disappear just as quickly and leave no trace for sea explorers to find. Another island, the Isle of Brazil, keeps appearing off and on near the coast of Ireland. Lake Monster. Lake Monster is a large marine creature. The most famous example of a lake monster is the Loch Ness Monster. People have reported to have seen a monster in the Loch Ness in Scotland. Loch Ness is a freshwater lake in UK. The huge creature is said to have a small head, a long neck, and a large body with flippers. Many experiments were conducted and the scientists came up with theories about the monster, but many believe it to be a myth. Some feel that it could be a prehistoric creature that has been considered to be extinct but somehow managed to survive. Why the American president is considered to be one of the most powerful persons in the world. US is a global superpower both in terms of military might and economic clout. It plays a pivotal and often decisive role in most international organizations. Devil's Tower. There is a mystery between natural and cultural history behind the Devil's Tower. It is 264 meters over low hills and is one of United States' distinctive landmark. According to Native Americans, 7 little girls were playing in the forest when giant bears started chasing them. The girls climbed onto a rock and started praying. The rock then began to grow like a tree and the girls were safe. The angry bears jumped up against the sides of the growing tower and left deep claw marks, which may be seen to this day upon the rock walls. As the tower continued to soar towards the sky and the girls were pushed up into the heavens where they became the 7 stars, and the rock was called Devil's Tower. The tower is unique because of its size and type of rock known as phonolite. The columns that make up the Devil's Tower are some of the tallest and widest found in these type of formations. In 1977, Devil's Tower was used as one of the filming locations for the movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Who was known as the father of the United States of America? George Washington, the first president, was known as the father of United States of America. He was a highly respected hero of the American Revolution and one of the founders of the nation. Do you know the name of the first president to reside in the White House in Washington, D.C.? John Adams, the second US president, was the first president to reside in the White House in Washington, D.C. He was the first president who did not attend the inauguration of a successor. He established the US Navy and ordered the first warships to be built. Who installed the first library in the White House? First Lady Abigail Powers Fillmore had the first library installed in the White House in 1850. She was a teacher. Now on to some famous Edison quotes. The value of an idea lies in the using of it. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Genius is 1% inspiration, 99% perspiration. To invent, you need a good imagination and a pile of junk. 5% of the people think. 10% of people think they think. And the other 85% would rather die than think. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare stands as the greatest writer in English literature, even as centuries pass and trends change. It is amazing to recall that this giant of a writer was active in his career only for a quarter century. He wrote 37 plays, 154 sonnets, and 2 epic poems. Shakespeare is said to have invented over 1,700 words. He invented words by changing nouns into verbs and verbs into adjectives, connecting words, adding prefixes and suffixes, and devising original words. Example: laughable, puking, champion, bum, eyeball, excitement, etc. Shakespeare's name was not spelled in the same way even when he lived. The spelling was not fixed until the 20th century. Most common published form was Shakespeare as we see it now, but his own handwritten signatures used a different spelling. Shakespeare's death is observed on the same day he was born. He died on 23rd April 1660. There is no clarity regarding the date of his birth. His birth is speculated to be on 23rd April 1564. The church documents say that he was baptized on 26 April 1564. As it was a custom then, children would be baptized on the 3rd day of their birth, and according to that, his birth is speculated to be on 23rd April 1564. Shakespeare is popularly known as Bard of Avon because he hails from Avon and was a wandering poet who travelled around reciting poems. Shakespeare's sonnets are more popular than his other poems. A sonnet is a verse form having 14 lines. The sonnets in Romeo and Juliet and Love's Labour's Lost are the most notable of his sonnets. Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a region of the Atlantic Ocean between Bermuda and Florida where ships and planes have mysteriously disappeared. Vincent Gaddis, who wrote about the disappearances, named the region the Deadly Bermuda Triangle. Over the years, more than 200 separate mysterious disturbances have been attributed to the Bermuda Triangle. The media put forward a lot of theories as to what might have happened at Bermuda Triangle. The theories range from attack by sea monsters to freak killer waves and kidnapping by aliens. Later studies reveal that most of the incidents have been inappropriately reported, and agencies declared that the number and nature of disappearances in the region is similar to any other area of the sea. Who was the president who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2009? It was Barack Obama, the 44th US President. Obama was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2009 for his extraordinary efforts to strengthen international diplomacy and cooperation between people. Why is the sea blue? Sunlight is made of different colors: red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. When sunlight falls on the sea, the blue color is reflected by the water most easily, giving the sea its blue color. Near the coast, seawater takes on a yellow or brownish tinge. This is due to the mud that river discharged into the sea and the tiny plants and animals near the surface. When the sun is hidden by the clouds, the sea will look grey. Weather conditions also change the color of the sea. Who was the founder of the University of Virginia? Thomas Jefferson, the third US President, founded the University of Virginia after retiring from the public office. Black hole. The physicist John Wheeler coined the term black hole in 1967. Before him, black holes were considered to be dark stars or frozen stars. Black holes are the most mysterious bodies in the whole universe. Astronomers consider a black hole to be a stage in the evolution of the star. They are believed to have formed when a supernova occurs. The supergiant stars in the universe explode from heat and expansion. This explosive death of the star creates a temporary brightness of millions of suns, and this phenomenon is called supernova. If a star is 10 times more massive than the Sun, no known force can stop the increase in gravity, and it will collapse to a point of infinite density. Before the stage is reached, within a certain radius, light itself becomes trapped and the object becomes invisible and becomes a black hole. With the invention of invisible radiations like radio waves, UV rays, X-rays, gamma rays, locating the invisible black holes has become possible. Black holes are the densest areas in the universe. Honeypot ant. Honey ants, also called honeypot ants, are ants which have specialized workers that have gauze with food to the point that their abdomens swell enormously. They are found in the fringes of deserts. After the rains, when there is so much of nectar in the ephemeral plants, the ants in a colony cannot use it all. Some particular ants in the colony feed on this nectar until their whole abdomen swells up with honey. The abdomen of these worker ants swell up so much that they look like grapes. The other ants then extract nourishments from these ants during drought through a process called trophallaxis. Gradually, the abdomen of the honeypot ants shrink back to their normal sizes. The honeypot ants are not dangerous to humans as they do not bite or sting. The honey inside the ant's abdomen is dark, sweet and sour with a lingering flavor like that of the wild strawberries. Why do modern jet airliners fly in the stratosphere? Clouds and rain form only in the presence of water vapor, and water vapor forms only in the lowest layer of atmosphere called the troposphere. The air in the stratosphere is still and clear as it has no water vapor. Modern jet airlines fly above the clouds in the stratosphere in order to avoid a rough light caused by bad weather. Why is the victory of Kamala Harris one of the most celebrated events of America in 2020? It is because she holds a unique position along with a record of many firsts as a vice president. She is the first woman to be elected to the post, the first Indian American woman to be elected to the post, the first Asian American woman to be elected to the post, and the first African American woman to be elected to the post. Impact of oil spills. Oil spills cause physical smothering of organisms in the environment. This is due to the high viscosity of the oils that are spilled, and it affects the respiration, feeding, and thermoregulation of these organisms. Oil spills contains poisonous chemicals which are readily absorbed through the skin of sea animals and harming them. It is harmful to marine birds, mammals, fish, and shellfish. Seals do not eat during oil spills and they starve to death. Sea otters are harmed as their ability to stay warm is affected as their fur gets contaminated. Fish and shellfish also get contaminated. Seabirds are harmed and killed in great numbers. Anybody could have done. You can do it. There were 4 people named everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody. There was an important job to be done, and everybody was asked to do it. Everybody was sure that somebody would do it. Anybody could have done it, but nobody did it. Somebody got angry about that because it was everybody's job. Everybody thought that anybody could do it, but nobody realized that everybody would not do it. It ended up that everybody blamed somebody when nobody did what anybody could have done. Interesting, isn't it? Crocodile tears. It means tears or expressions of sorrow that are insincere. It is false. Insincere display of emotion such as hypocrite crying fake tears of grief. The phrase derives from an ancient belief that crocodiles shed tears while consuming their prey. In reality, the crocodiles shed tears not because they are sad, but because it is a bodily need for them. It is a means to get rid of excess salt from its body. UFO. The term UFO means unidentified flying object, and UFOs are one of the mysteries that have fascinated man for centuries. Many people claim to have seen UFOs, and some have even clicked photographs of them, but some have considered these sightings to be false. Some feel that they are the secret army weapons that are tested at night, and the people who don't know about the object claim it to be a UFO. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.